Is that yours?
No, it's not my one.
It's not
That
yours.
one's yours, Paris.
It's not my one.
Paris.
That one.
Are you sure?
Paris.
Paris, this is
Yeah,
yours.
that's for you.
Wow.
She's confused. She's got like.
That's for you.
Yeah.
Open.
That's Mum's.
Oh, that's probably why. Can Paris open it? She said that's not mine.
Bring your presents here. Bring your
It's
presents
baby
here.
too.
Oh,
By the way.
by the way, you're going to be grandparents again.
Again.
Oh, congratulations.
Yeah. Got another.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Merry Christmas again. It's currently 1 o'clock and kakarating lang namin dito sa bahay ng partner ng mama ni Daddy Mike. That's a mouthful. Anyways, hindi namin sila ano guys, yung blood related, pero they're very sweet people and we spent the last 2 Christmas here and parang naging tradisyon na siya guys na dito kami nag-spend ng Christmas with Daddy Mike's mom. So, there you go. Dala yung partner niya. At yung baby girl ay nandyan guys. Oh. Hello honey. Come on. Hi Jeff. How are you?
Hello.
Come up Paris.
Merry Christmas. How are you?
I want to get present. Present.
Presents. Yeah, lots of presents.
Ayan na. Nag-carry na ang ating baby girl. Bit-bit na ni Daddy Mike ang makaragal. Medyo magino. Woo! Say hi, Lola.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Hi, Mom.
Merry Christmas.
Christmas. What is it? Tignan niyo ang outfit ng ating baby girl, guys. Yay! What is that? That's a toy. Come on, we have to eat first na. Si Paris na eh. Na ano siya. Na-excite kasi ang daming mga gifts. Come on, let's go eat. Aren't you hungry?
No, mommy.
You're not hungry?
No, not having one.
Oh, come in, let's go.
It's mine. No. That's mine. That's not my one.
Is that yours?
No, it's not my one.
It's not
That
yours.
one's yours, Paris.
It's not my one.
Paris.
That one.
Are you sure?
Paris.
Paris, this is
Yeah,
yours.
that's for you.
Wow.
She's confused. She's got like.
That's for you.
Yeah.
Open.
That's Mum's.
Oh, that's probably why. Can Paris open it? She said that's not mine. Paris, what is that?
Paris, what is it?
We're finding the stuff now.
Oh, that's
Wow.
What's that, Baba?
Oh, look at that. Mum, can you just put that next to it?
Wow.
what's that? Paris.
There's
Yeah.
all Jeff, Paris.
What's that?
Yeah, wait for them.
Show mommy.
Oh, that's right.
I think mom.
Yeah,
For mom.
What is it?
What is that?
Lego! That's what I have.
Is that
Wow.
Can you just bring your presents here? Bring your
It's
presents
baby
here.
too.
And get the paper out of the way so nothing gets lost.
What's
What's
her
the name
name?
of the baby?
What's the baby's name?
Lisa and Stuart.
Well, thank you. I didn't get you guys anything.
Oh, well, served Karen's right.
Oh, Lego!
Oh, that's not yours, honey.
For you, what?
Huh?
That's for you?
No, that's not for you.
Oh, that's Caleb's. Caleb. Merry Christmas, huh? That's for...
Oh, look, Aunt Joe.
Okay.
What do they do with all the food from the animals at the zoo?
They feed it to you.
That's a good question. I'd love to know.
Lisa, that's for Lachlan.
Okay, thank you.
For Daddy.
Yeah, but
You're in deep
That's
trouble,
mine.
man.
uh-oh, scratch and sniff stickers. I'm a bit scared. There's not food.
That's for you.
Thank you,
Oh,
everyone.
that's for you.
That's for you,
We'll have to read
Paris.
this at night,
You
won't
can
we?
open it.
Caleb, can I just
Paris.
get in there, though?
Pretty cool. I'll get them, Mum. Don't worry, I'll get them in a minute.
Paris.
When Jeff's
Oh,
finished,
wow.
I'll get them.
Okay, mark with Paris.
Yep. Caleb. Merry Christmas, mate.
Oh,
Wow.
Caleb, look out.
oh.
Wow. What is that, Paris?
Oh no, this is running for food.
What is that?
Pretty cool. Hang on, don't just pull it
Parents
out.
don't know what
It
to
might
do.
break, love.
I just want to get some mama.
Parrots.
Line up your game.
That's for you.
Wow, another one.
What do you think of
Oh
that?
my God. You've been a good girl all year, Paris.
Me too.
Oh, you are
Kyla's been a
too.
big.
Good boy.
I got a glow up pool.
Paris? Wow.
Wow.
What is that, Paris?
What's that, Baba?
This small. This small.
Make your own science program.
Build your own world.
Puzzle.
Book.
A Santa puzzle.
There's one more.
Jigsaw.
Yay! Say thank you, Lola.
Which
Which open? Which one?
Excuse me about. Hi, Paris.
Here's
careful.
another one, love.
Oh, here.
Paris.
Here, here.
Look at this.
Open so much, you just want to open
Well, you
everything.
just want to open them. You don't care what's in them. Do you?
You just want to
Want daddy's help?
Every time you touch the
Ah.
textile,
There you are.
the reaction
There you go. Santa will help.
and the more it spins, the
Say
more
thank you.
Okay. There you are.
Wow. Oh my God.
Oh.
Wow. Paris just sticked it all up.
One more.
One more, let's see it. Let's see it.
Gorgeous.
What's inside?
Oh, that's cool.
What's that?
Mommy, I'm wondering.
No more, honey.
Those books, they're little.
Wow, have a look at Paris.
Alright, come on, we'll go in the front.
Don't come out. See that come out?
Yeah.
Put some shoes on.
Where's your shoes? You can go out now. Come on.
Outside.
Where's your shoes?
Bye.
What are you doing?
Where's your shoes?
I don't know if that fits you, Mom, because I ordered small. I think it arrived medium. I don't have time to complain because it's gonna take forever to.
Lots of room to move in when she's asleep anyway.
And I love the feel of them. They're really soft. Oh, I'll be very cool lounge. Yeah, thank you. I love that. I want you to open.
That's the
I
phone.
saw it on Facebook today. That is so cute. Like a carrot.
Show the back.
I thought so because I saw that on YouTube.
Did you? What do you mean?
On YouTube, I wasn't sure because I've seen a few on YouTube where you've announced it.
You didn't announce it, did you? You didn't announce it on YouTube.
Hi guys, so it's now 4:30 and kakatapos lang namin sa bahay, sa first house. Ayan, we've got lots of presents. Ayan, open natin mamaya pagka-uwi natin. For now, pupunta tayo sa lola ni Daddy Mike, lola at lolo niya. Yung mama ni Daddy Mike ngayon lang umalis, so we are following them. We're gonna go see them. Are you
Okay, yeah.
right there, honey?
Thank you.
Paris, honey.
Hey.
We're going, Baba.
I want Wawa.
You want Lola?
Yes, I want Wawa.
Okay, we're going to see Lola now, okay?
I want.
Is your seatbelt okay?
No, mommy.
No? Are you locked in? We're gonna go see Lola now, okay? Oh my god, guys, I'm so full. Are you full, Daddy?
I'm very full.
Yeah, too much food. Anyways, I'm just happy na I'm not feeling sick, guys. Yun bang kaya ko pang kainin yung mga pagkain nila na hindi pa ako feeling na ano yung magsusuka ba. So that's good. Anyways, we're leaving now. See you soon. Ayan guys, kakarating lang namin dito and ang ating baby girl ay sleeping. Oh, sorry. We're here, honey. I'm gonna see Nanan pa.
I gotta get more presents. Are you dribbling?
Dribbling.
Yeah.
I'm saying, hello Lola.
Hi. Come. Say hi to Nani.
Now let's see, huh?
There's Nani. Say hi, Nani. How are you, Nan?
I'm going to hide some of the chocolates, but from Paris because she's already had.
Oh, right.
She's already had a lot today.
Oh, right.
Thanks, Nan.
Thank you,
Do you
Nan.
want the chocolates or a tin of biscuits, sweetheart?
Okay.
Which one? Okay. Please yourself. And that's another tin for you.
Whoop. Whoop.
Oh, you're going well, aren't you?
It's riding like a pro now.
Well done.
Wow. Ooh, careful.
I think it's maybe the shoes on it.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Maybe it's just a little bit too big for it.
I like home.
What is it now?
I like bike home, Mommy.
Yeah, you ride the bike home.
Yes.
You're gonna ride it home.
You can't ride it home because it's too far.
Your leg's gonna fall off before you get there.
Michael, have you already got a bike?
Yeah.
Or I can say that you're going to take that one.
I don't think we can fit in the car, but yeah, we got one.
Mommy.
We got one.
You're right.
Paris?
Paris. Nanny gets mixed up in yours. Oh, beautiful.
You got that.
Oh, look. Thank you. Turn on the lights, sweetheart. I'll put my reading glasses on.
That's our photo in Westfield with Santa.
Oh, lovely. Thank you, sweetheart.
It's okay.
How many shopping centres you been in this week?
One.
15?
One.
Paris.
One?
Oh,
Oh,
what did you
beautiful.
stay there overnight?
Pick it up on the...
Oh, well, we went to take.
By the way.
By the way, you're going to be grandparents again.
Again.
Oh, congratulations.
Yeah. Got another baby on the way.
You've been trying for a
Another
while to have that, haven't you?
What do you want? What is it?
Ugly one.
Well, we only found out maybe a week and a half, 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah. So it's only, we had the first ultrasound.
Yes.
Hi guys, it's now 9 o'clock. Kakauwi lang namin dito sa bahay, guys. Oh my God, ang ating Daddy Mike, ayan, pinatapon na yung mga mga cardboards, yung mga carton ba, ng mga gift. And, upo muna ako guys, sobrang nakakapagod. Anyways, ang ating baby girl ay nandyan, kasi gusto na niyang ipaayos ng kanyang sasakyan. So we have to put all the, wheels sa kanyang sasakyan. Round and round. Yan pala ang kanyang outfit today, oh. Sobrang bulingit na. Show me your outfit, nakbi. Ay, shush! Fix na natin yan, anak. And also pala, guys, ito pala yung ating pa-outfit today. Ayan. Ayan. Hindi ko na naipakita sa inyo kanina, guys, kasi... What's wrong, honey? Nagmamadali kami kanina kasi late na nga kami. Kaya yun, anyways, yun na nga guys, ang ating tiyan, oh yan, lumulubo na. Hi ulit guys, it's now 9:45 ng gabi and dito ako sa bedroom ngayon, chill lang guys. Si Daddy Mike and Paris nasa lounge room sila. They're just relaxing as well. And also, baby Paris is starting to be suki now guys kasi hindi maganda yung tulog niya today. Hindi talaga niya nakuha yung nap niya kaninang hapon. Yes, so I think she's very tired. Kaya, ayan, paiyak-iyak na siya ngayon. So today, finally, nasabi na namin sa mama ni Daddy Mike and also sa kanyang grandparents na we're having another baby. And obviously, nakita nyo kanina yung reaction nila, guys. They're very happy sa news. And everyone's looking forward to meet the addition to our family next year. And yeah, I'm just super tired right now, guys. Sobrang tired. pagod na pagod ako. Kaya i-end na natin yung vlog dito guys para makapagpahinga na tayo. Actually dito sa bahay, ang daming sobrang daming linisin talaga. Yung lunchroom, yung mga gifts na natanggap namin, we'll make a video of that sometime tomorrow. We'll see if magagawa natin lahat ng mga gifts na natanggap namin from the family. But tomorrow, guys, we're going to see my bestie kasama yung family niya. And yeah, it's going to be an exciting day again tomorrow. And that's why, you know, matutulog na ako ngayon para naman may energy ako bukas. Kasi alam niyo naman si Buntis, guys. Oh my God. Iba-iba talaga yung pagbubuntis ko ngayon, guys, kumpara doon kay Paris. Kasi I felt like yung kay Paris, parang, I don't know, I was like flying, you know what I mean? Pero ngayon, sobrang, ewan ko, palagi ako nasusuka. Actually, kanina nung nandun kami sa bahay ng lola niya, I was vomiting. Seriously. Kailangan kong pumunta ng toilet para mag-vomit, guys. Kaya yun. Okay, guys. I-end na natin yung vlog dito. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa always na panonood ng ating mga videos. Sa mga bago nating subscribers, welcome sa inyong lahat. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung mga vlogs natin. I'm just going to do a quick shout out now. And the first shout out goes to Eliza Faith Ranke. Shout out to Lumanta family sa EMB Homes Labangal, Jensan. Shout out to Neil Rose Langkuyan from Davao. Shout out to A. Huablar, Emelita Gonzalez, Elizabeth Pakatang, Viviel Elerio, Marga Sabel, Sally Saminiano, Dineth Cruz. Shout out to Tan Fam, Crispina Palma, Bernardine Ricabo, Lina Llevares, Evelyn G. Kuta, from California. Shout out to Lolita La Cuesta, Eduardo Cabral, and Brenda Osorio. Guys, hindi ko natatawagin ang ating baby girl ha para i-end yung vlog na to kasi she was seriously suking na kaya ayaw kong disturbuhin siya at baka iiyak na naman ang iiyak. But that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed and I really hope that everyone had a lovely Christmas. And yeah, we'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Don't forget to be good and if you can't, be careful. Bye!